Hey guys, Bingo here, and I got a random unboxing, which is the SafeSpace lock, and it's basically like a cash pouch or locking storage bag, and it's not much of an unboxing to be honest, because it's already like just open here. But yeah, I was intrigued by this product because you guys remember the G- GTA 4 special edition? I've always wanted one of those when I was oh wait, no, GTA 5 special edition. I've always wanted to get one of those when I was a kid, and it included like something like this, like a storage bag with a GTA 5 branding, and I got a similar one from MasterLock. So let's see. Let's have a quick unboxing. See, it's just like that. That's it. That's pretty much it. So let's see what some specifications they have. So we got here about 29 by 21 by 3.5 centimeters. So it's got built-in high security cylinder, water resistant nylon, fit standard size business card, and ID card included. So this was made by MasterLock, which makes locks, and this is their storage bag. So yeah, it's similar to the one from GTA 5. I saw some of those in Facebook Marketplace, but they're just not worth it. Those things run for like 150 Australian dollars, and this was like 50 Australian dollars from Amazon, and I think this is more better quality. But of course, you get the GTA branding in that one. So, got keys, two sets of keys, which I need my trusty scissors to open, and that's basically it. It's quite spacious. It's got some space in there. Thinking of like putting my cash, IDs, maybe Pokemon cards in there. So they said that there's an ID card included, but maybe just, I don't know, could fit an ID in there. There's no other pockets or anything. That's just it. Let's see how the lock is. I would say the zipper seems pretty nice quality. Let's try the lock. Ooh, it's like that. If I want to lock this, I can just that's a really weird locking mechanism. So I don't know if you guys can see it, but okay, I just put it like that and lock it, and that's it. No one can access your money or whatever it is you're hiding. And then you just want to lock it. There we go. I've got some cash here, some different cash. Got some Philippine peso, Singaporean dollars, Aussie dollars, and some American dollars, which I have this. I put them in like this pouches. You can just put it in there. And it's safe. We're good. Let's try and see how ID card fits in here. Just to make this video a bit longer. That is really satisfying, by the way. Let's find some typical card. Gonna use my, not that one. I'm not gonna show my credit card or something. Here, Flyby's card. That's literally the same size as a ID card. And there you have it. Fits perfectly. Yeah, it's pretty cool. Mini storage, and they say I think it's durable, but should I try it with a knife? Come on, let's try it. I mean, what good is a product if you're not going to try it out? There are, I just think someone could actually just get this through if it's like a bigger knife or something, but oh yeah, it can. Yeah, that's a big problem there. My cheap knife just made a small tear. I reckon you can just slice it with the, and this knife that it's not the sharpest out there. Look at that. It's not. I haven't sharpened this knife since like I bought it 2 years ago. So yeah, I wouldn't recommend like actually yeah, I reckon it could easily be broken. If someone stole this, it could just easily be ripped off with a knife. But hey, looks cool. Guess that's all I could say. Anyway, I hope you guys liked this video, and yeah, I'll see you in the next one.